Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rob from Paragon. Today, I'm showing you guys how to install the carbon fiber license plate insert on your C8 Z06. This is a great way to bring some carbon fiber and some race car aggressive styling to the back of your C8 Z06. So let's get to it. So the first step here at the back of the car, obviously you'll need to remove your license plate and get to this point. Next up, we are going to remove this factory installed piece of foam. Now you can install this on your new license plate bracket. So if you want to do that, take it off, obviously set it to the side and we'll get that reinstalled at a later step. So let's get this piece taken off. So now that we've got that off with a rag and a cleaner of your choice, we're just going to spray down this area and wipe it clean. Now that we've got that cleaned up, we are just going to come test fit our piece on. That way you get a basic ballpark idea of how this fits. And before we peel that 3M tape off the back and stick it down, we are going to use some of the supplied adhesion promoter and just kind of walk our way around this outside edge where the tape is going to stick. So we'll get this popped open and apply it to where the 3M tape is going to sit. All right, we're gonna let that sit for a minute or two. All right, now that that's had a chance to start drying, let's go ahead and start peeling our 3M tape. All right, now that we have all the 3M tape off, we are ready to stick it down. Just kind of line it up like we did the first time. And then go ahead and apply some pressure to stick it down. All right, so now that we've got it installed, all that is left to do is obviously wipe some of your fingerprints off from pressing it down and reinstall your foam piece if you would like. And there you guys have it. Now all that is left to do, get your license plate reinstalled and you are ready to rock and roll, get out on the road and go enjoy the new rear end of your C8 Z06. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.